everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today I'm going to be decorating a couple of tier trays, so come on with me guys. Okay, so I'm going to decorate this one. This is probably one of my favorite ones, but I do have another one that is my favorite also. So let's see how we're going to begin. But first I want to tell you that this video is a part of a collaboration called the Red, White, and Blue Tier Tray Collaboration. And that's being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jennifer at home, and we have Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley. I hope I got that right. 1 second. Okay, yes, it looks like I got that right. So let's get started. I went into my stash, grabbed a bunch of stuff over here, guys, and let's see how this comes out. Okay, so I love these bows. I saw these at the Dollar Tree, and I like them better than the tinsel ones. So I thought it would be a nice idea, since we have this circle up here, that I can go ahead and attach this bow. So let's start out by doing that. This way I know where to place stuff. So we're going to start out with this. I kind of like these bows. I like these so much better than, see, look how pretty that is. I like this so much better than those tinsel ones. All right, so let's see. Isn't that pretty, guys? All right. So I like the way that's looking. So now it's just a matter of placing the other stuff. So I purchased this at the Dollar Tree. Okay, this is quite big. And because it's that big, I'm gonna go ahead and place that right down here. And let's see. So I do have this piece right here. So let me see, because sometimes I like to angle stuff. I don't know if you can see that, and maybe we go this way, and I place this here. I don't want it to take away from what we're looking at. So let's see. Let's see what we're gonna do here. All right, I'm gonna start with putting out some greenery up here. I think that is very, I think I like that. Then what I'm going to do is, let's see, I do like this piece here. Now, I don't know. So I do like this piece here, guys, and I do want to incorporate it because it's just so beautiful. But I also like the bunny rabbit, so I purchased this at the Dollar Tree also, and I just think it's just appropriate. I have rabbits all over my front yard, and they'll be there all summer. So maybe we should put this little guy up here. Okay, and then I got these carrots. These are so beautiful. I forgot where I purchased these. I'm just going to go ahead and stick it right there on the side. And that takes care of the top level. I don't need to go too overboard with the bottom level either, because I don't want to cover that truck. So I'm trying to think if I should do this, and I think I'm going to leave that there. And then I do have, let's see, I'm going to put this green here. You can never go wrong with greenery. So, and I think I'm going to put this here. So I also have this, but I don't think I'm going to use it either. So I'm just kind of like, we do have an angel here. Okay. It's almost like it's not going together. So this is more summery to me. And then this here and the bow represent, Memorial Day. I do have the scarf. I could put some more greenery, I guess, over here. I don't really have to go overboard. I did want to put one other thing though in there. Not sure if I want to go with the angel because I kind of lose the theme here. Let's see. I was kind of looking for something red. Alright, it's not happening for me, but I'm gonna see. I kind of like this rose here, but that's kind of like not matching either. Alright guys. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead with another carrot, and I'm gonna place the carrot over here, because at least it keeps the theme of the bunny and the 4th of July. So, you know, we're in, I think I like this. I really do think I like this. So, and this was a really nice size piece for $1.25. And then, so I'm liking how this looks, and I hope that you guys do too. Let's move on to the next one. Okay guys, so I have this one that I decorated, but we're gonna take this bow off because I kind of like the red, white, and blue. So let's take this off. I already took the decorations off, and I don't have a lot of red, white, and blue stuff, guys, but I don't know. I have red ribbon, but it's the red, white, and blue. Okay, so I wanted to use this scarf. Don't know if I should use this scarf on this one here. Let's see what it looks like. Because I like this, or I can go ahead and use this for a table runner on a table scape. This is really pretty, guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a table runner. Now, because I put this bow on the other one, the other tray, I think I'm gonna go with this. So I like this, so I think we're gonna go with this. Who knows? Let's see. Maybe I have room to put another one on there, because I have 2 different kinds here. So I have this, like this here, looks so nice, and I'm really liking it. Okay. So I'm liking that, and you can twist it a little bit just so that it won't move. Okay, so I like that. And I have these, they call these ornaments. So I like the star. Why not put the star up there too as well? I know, I just gotta see if I can twist that around. I don't know if this will get through. I think so. Yep, look at that. I got this through. So I like that. So we're doing good here, guys. Now, I absolutely love the gold bird. So I am gonna stick him in here. Okay. And since I like some greenery, I am gonna stick this greenery in there. Okay, with the bird. I think it looks nice. Let's see, we'll hold off on there. Now, I also like this. So I'm kind of liking this rose. For some reason, when I got it home, the tab was taken off and I can't get it on. Hopefully I can find one that the light works. So I'm gonna place that down here. You know, I like white, guys. So, and I also like this cross. So let me cut this off. This cross off. I'm gonna put this here. I like that. And I still say I love this piece right here. So let's see. Let's put these flowers in there. And I have this lavender here. I think I can put that here. So let's see, definitely want to put some greenery there. All right, And maybe I can put this here. Kind of covering it though. So what else can we put in there? There's one piece missing. So I'm kind of liking this rose, and I'm kind of liking this angel. So I like how this came out, guys. Look at that. So we kind of went with the neutral and then in the gold, and still managed to add the red, white, and blue. So I really am loving it. I think it's beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.